हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। नाज़रीन, आज की वीडियो में बात करने लगा वूपिंग कफ अबाउट वूपिंग कफ। सिम्टम्स क्या है इसका ट्रीटमेंट किस तरह किया जा सकता है। तो नाज़रीन, वीडियो प्रॉपरली स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप चैनल पर नए आए हैं या अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो काइंडली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि चैनल पर आने वाली नई से नई वीडियो की अपडेट आपको नोटिफिकेशन के थ्रू मिलती रहे। चलिए नाज़रीन, वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वूपिंग कफ। वूपिंग कफ आल्सो कॉल्ड pertussis is a highly contagious bacterial infection of the lungs and airways. It causes repeated coughing bouts that can last for 2 to 3 months or more and can make babies and young children in particular very ill. Whooping cough is spread in the droplets of the coughs or sneezes of someone with the infection. Symptoms of whooping cough. The first symptoms of whooping cough are similar to those of a cold, such as runny nose, red and watery eyes, a sore throat, and a slightly raised temperature. Intense coughing bouts start about a week later. The bouts usually last a few minutes at a time and tend to be more common at night. Coughing usually brings up thick mucus and may be followed by vomiting. Between coughs, you or your child may gasp for breath. This may cause a whoop sound, although not everyone has this. The strain of coughing can cause the face to become very red and there may be some slight bleeding under the skin or in the eyes. Young children can sometimes briefly turn blue, cyanosis. If they have trouble breathing, this often looks worse than it is and there. In very young babies, the cough may not be particularly noticeable, but there may be brief periods where they stop breathing. Who is at risk of whooping cough? Whooping cough can affect people of any age, including babies and young children. Young babies under 6 months of age are at a particular increased risk of complications of whooping cough. Older children and adults, it tends to be less serious in these cases, but can still be unpleasant and frustrating. People who have had whooping cough before, you are not immune to whooping cough if you have had it before, although it tends to be less severe the second time around. People vaccinated against whooping cough as a child, protection from the whooping cough vaccine tends to wear off after a few years. When to get medical advice? See your GP or call the NHS 24 111 if you or your child have symptoms of whooping cough, have had a cough for more than 3 weeks, have a cough that is particularly severe or is getting worse. Treatment for whooping cough. Treatment for whooping cough depends on your age and how long you have had the infection. Children under 6 months who are very ill and people with severe symptoms will usually be admitted to hospital for treatment. People diagnosed during the first 3 weeks of infection may be prescribed antibiotics to take at home. These will help stop the infection spreading to others but may not reduce the symptoms. People who have had whooping cough for more than 3 weeks would not normally need any specific treatment as they are no longer contagious and antibiotics are unlikely to help. Stopping the infection spreading. If you or your child are taking antibiotics for whooping cough, you need to be careful not to spread the infection to others. Stay away from nursery, school or work until 5 days from the start of antibiotic treatment or 3 weeks after the coughing bouts started. Cover your or your child's mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing and sneezing. Dispose of used tissues immediately. Wash your child's hands regularly with soap and water. Vaccination for whooping cough. The whooping cough vaccine in pregnancy. This can protect your baby during the first few weeks of life. The best time to have it is soon after the 16th week of your pregnancy. The 5-in-1 vaccine offered to babies at 8, 12 and 16 weeks of age. The 4-in-1 preschool booster offered to children by 3 years and 4 months. नाज़रीन, आज की वीडियो में हमने बात की वूपिंग कफ के बारे में। उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी और मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें दीजिए इजाज़त, मिलते हैं नई वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। अल्लाह निगहबान, दुआ में याद रखिएगा।